Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to set up dual SIM cards on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's get started. So, minute ago, I have inserted two SIM cards in my phone, and now on my screen appears this menu in which I'm suggested to set up our SIMs. So, we can skip this step and do it later on the Settings, Connections and SIM Manager, or do it right now. So I will click on this button next, and as a first step I would need to choose preferred SIM for calls. We can choose Ask Always, and every time where you are gonna call someone, it will ask you which SIM you wanna use. I will pick second one and click next. Now we need to choose preferred SIM for messages. It's only two options, one or two. Then we need to choose preferred SIM for mobile data, or we can turn it off and also enable this function data switching and backup calling. If you want to read more, click on this button, learn more, and we are moving forward. And that's it. Now we have successfully set up our dual SIMs. And also let me show you a few more things that you can manage your SIM cards like. For example, if we will click on the tab Connections, the mobile networks, here we can enable or disable data roaming for both of the SIMs and also choose the network mode from 2G up to 5G. And the last thing that we can check on is to click on this SIM manager and name each SIM card. For example, you can name it by their mobile operator or give it any name so it will be easier to know whichever is the one. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.